Welcome to Tesla's Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're shade charging at the Town Center Supercharger in Santa Maria, California.
Let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Santa Maria, California, where they have 20 superchargers. I want to thank all of you guys for hanging out with us in this latest road trip of ours. So to show a little bit more appreciation, there's a like button. Make sure you smash that. There's a subscribe button. Get your awesome notifications by hitting that subscribe button. And if you know anyone that wants to hang out with us, make sure you share the content with them. So here are my initial impressions, initial thoughts. First thought, I'm in an indoor supercharger, right? And we're a mall adjacent and an indoor old school mall here in Santa Maria. Initial feelings, well, I don't have any outstanding feelings except if I'm like super wanting to go to a mall, there's an indoor mall that way. Yay, Malls of America. And initial concerns, none whatsoever. It looks like I've got a lot of choices if I need to shop, stock up if you're on a road trip, and plenty of eating choices as well. So that's an awesome concern not to have. So hang tight for the review. Let's give our guest Kirti our ear so he can tell us about the area. What is your initial impressions about the area?
A little bit far away from the highway, and the mall is not that great. So
Kind of an old mall.
Old mall, yeah. And half the stores are closed, not places to eat and stuff.
So the variety of places to eat in the mall are not that good, you're saying?
No, not that great. Yeah.
So if there weren't any superchargers here, would you still come to this mall?
Probably not.
1 full star for chargers, 20 of them at 250 kV 24/7. Half a star for bathrooms over 1,000 feet away inside the mall near the food court on the first floor. A full star for safety, well-lit indoor parking. Half a star for food and beverage. You've got your basic mall food. Half a star for cool factor. This is your basic indoor parking for an indoor mall stop. The Santa Maria Town Center Supercharger gets a 3.5 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions: 1 mile from the 101 freeway, Main Street 166 West exit. Unlisted indoor destination chargers adjacent to the supercharger, so if you want to hang out and slow charge, you can do that too. Let's give our guest Kirti the final word. What is the coolest thing someone has ever done for you?
I mean, my wife threw a kick-ass 40th birthday for me, so that was awesome.
That sounds awesome. She sounds like a winner.
Yeah.
Who do you admire the most?
I admire Steve Jobs, Bill Gates as well. Yeah.
What qualities about Steve Jobs and Bill Gates do you admire?
They're the people who had the vision, and they were able to, bring their vision to life. Pretty much change the way we live right now.
Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
We stay cool. I mean, there's a lot of, anxiety, a lot of, fight between people. I think pretty much need to calm down. Stay cool, I guess.
That's some great advice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We'll see you later, okay?
Yep, thank you.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
What do you think the next Tesla product should be?
I mean, Their robot is pretty good. I mean, I'm looking forward to see what they have.